up guys, Smart Go here with CleanOutPlumbing. The customer's been experiencing roots, cracks, blockages, soft blockages. They've been having plumbers after plumbers after plumbers. They gave us a call. We came out, did a camera for them, either just jetting out the line, removing the roots and putting them on a maintenance plan. They don't want to worry about that. They wanted a permanent solution. That way they never have to worry about roots or anything ever again. It's one of those things, just do it once, you do it right, you never have to worry about it again. The 3/4 inch cable pulls it in, breaks old clay pipe, and puts a brand new polyethylene pipe. So you see how I pull the pin out, cable goes out, and that's your brand new pipe inside.